What caused the launch of NASA's Artemis moon probe to be delayed, and what comes next? At this point, an unmanned astronaut capsule ought to be orbiting the moon somewhere above it. 2 attempts to launch the newly developed rocket by NASA have been scrubbed. Both the August 29 and September 3 attempts to launch the rocket were unsuccessful because of fuel line leaks. Technicians are currently working on a solution to the problem. The delay brings to mind the difficulties that NASA had with hydrogen leaks between the years 1981 and 2011. NASA has the intention of overcoming the difficulties and launching the SLS together with its capsule on a test voyage known as Artemis 1. This will be a significant step in the agency's mission to send humans back to the moon. Will this cause the program to run behind schedule? Unbelievable information will shed light on the future of Artemis 1. What's preventing the rocket from taking off today? The original attempt made by NASA on August 29 was halted due to lightning that occurred close to the launch location. Hydrogen leaks occurred. A sensor revealed that before the liftoff, one of the 4 primary engines that comprised the SLS was not cool enough to receive fuel. The launch attempt was halted by NASA, however, it was later revealed that the sensor had been faulty all along and that the engine had sufficient coolant. During the second test, which took place on September 3, a fuel line quick disconnect seal developed a massive hydrogen leak. This leak was far worse than the one before it, and the amounts of combustible gas reached lethal levels. Hydrogen is tough to deal with, Jim Free, NASA's Associate Administrator for Exploration Systems Development, said during a news conference held after the launch was delayed because of weather concerns. That's not an explanation, that's a fact, she said. If hydrogen leaks so much, why does NASA still use it? Rocket fuel that is made of liquid hydrogen is both lightweight and powerful. It generates the greatest amount of thrust of any rocket fuel when combined with liquid oxygen. NASA makes use of it despite the fact that it is temperamental and leaky. Hydrogen is a challenging chemical, but it's worth it, said John Blevins, the chief engineer for NASA's Space Launch System, SLS. This is the gasoline that our cause needs, she remarked. When Congress gave its approval for the development of the SLS in 2010, it basically issued a command to NASA to make use of hydrogen so that the agency could continue to make use of the infrastructure and jobs from the space shuttle era. Many other alternative propellants have been tested by companies. The Starship, which is SpaceX's deep space rocket, will be fueled by methane. Kerosene was SpaceX's prior fuel, but methane is not only less expensive but also cleaner to burn. The particular impulse of hydrogen is greater. Share with us in the comments section below your thoughts on the Artemis program, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.